I received my BoxyCharm for the month of August, and I wanted to share with you all what I got, so let's take a look. The theme for this box is Go All Out, and this little card tells me more about the products, also the price. I got variation number 62. The first product in the box is by Frank Body. This is a hair mask. This is a deep conditioning hair mask. It's supposed to make your hair feel soft and tangle free. So I'm excited to try this out. The next product is from Clean Skin Club. This is a pineapple glow mist. It does smell like pineapple, but it's not overbearing, and it feels really nice on the skin. The next product is by a brand called Rockin's Cosmetics, and this is a mascara. I have tried the eyeliner and I do like it, so I can't wait to try this. This was the item that I picked. This is from a brand called Lava Beauty. This is a lash set. The lashes are called Flirty, and they're mink lashes. I can't wait to try these. The last product in the box is an eyeshadow palette from a brand called Laura Geller. This has 12 shades that can be worn day and night. I love that it comes with a mirror, perfect for travel. Here is everything I received for the month of August. This box cost $25 and the value of the box was $182. So I really like that. Let me know if you guys got similar items and what you guys think. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.